Today?
I went down.
Did you see a bulldozer?
No. I see bulldozer.
You did see a bulldozer? What color was it?
Blue, orange,
It was orange. What was it doing?
digging.
Digging? What was it digging?
Tammy's house.
It was digging Tammy's house? Was it digging in the dirt?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's making bubbles.
You're making bubbles?
Look, my bubbles break.
You're putting the bubbles on your leg? What did you say that you wanted to do with the dirt? What did you tell Mama?
I eat it.
You want to eat the dirt?
Uh-huh.
Why?
Uh-huh.
Why do you want to eat the dirt? You think dirt's yummy? Do you like it?
I eat it.
You want to eat it? Why?